And so it begins.
The greatest battle yet.
Grades will be finalized.
Tests will be taken.
Tears will be shed.
Yearbooks will be signed.
Seniors will graduate.
And everyone else won't.
But like all battles we have fought, we will rise.
And we will conquer.
And we will most definitely leave with honor. Looking back assembly! I forgot we were supposed to be there to run it.
What are we waiting for? We have to go! Hurry!
Go, go, go. Oh my God.
Hopefully the assembly hasn't started yet.
It's okay. We can travel quickly, just as our Viking heritage did.
Can we travel on a Viking ship?
I don't think we have a ship. All we have is this lazy Impala with broken power steering.
Okay, I guess this will have to do.
Wait, can we stop and get food first? I can't do an assembly on an empty stomach.
Fine.
Yes.
Get 2 courtesy cones.
Wait, get a fry.
Get 2 courtesy cones.
Get a fry.
Yeah, and
What flavor?
Okay, vanilla.
Vanilla.
Alright.
And then can I also get a fry?
A large fry?
Just we'll get a small.
A small one?
Oh, okay. Alright.
That's okay.
Anything else?
No.
Alright. 324.
Awesome, thank you.
Thank you.
Alright, we'll do that up.
Thank you.
Okay, this was a good idea.
Right?
Oh my gosh, we have to hurry!
Hey, jeez.